Okay, so I'm going to talk to the parents now and talk about how when you're teaching your children about the sounds of the letters, you need to make sure that they're watching your mouth, and you can even explain to them how you want them to hold their mouth. So, for example, on the N, you want to make sure you tell them, I need to see all your teeth. So it's newt. So when you do V, you want to explain to them that your teeth are on your bottom lip. V. L, your tongue is on your top teeth. L. F is your teeth are on your bottom lip. And then also, when you're explaining the sounds of the letters, you want to make sure, and sometimes it's not easy, that you're not adding the sound to the sounds of the letters. So it's B. It's not B, it's B. And you want to make sure that's very clear. B. T. It's not T, it's T. All of them. K. Very clear. P. And if you see that they're not making the right sounds, talk about how your mouth is formed and have them actually look at your mouth. So it's P, J, D. It's not duh, it's D. And so on.